Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to complete the first WordPress project, which is putting your HTML profile and resume page in your WordPress blog. And this assumes that you have already set up your WordPress blog as we did in class. If you missed class, there is a handout that is posted on Canvas to show you how to do that. But this assumes you've already done that. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and go back and do that, and then come back to this video. So in any event, once you do have your site set up, what we're going to do is go to blogs.bgsu.edu. We're going to log in with our usual BGSU username and password. And we click Login. And then we are going to click Dashboard. And Dashboard, as we have talked about, is going to be the main place where we're going to be able to do all our stuff for our blogs. Now, if the blog that you set up in this class is the only one you have, it's probably going to be listed right here at the top. But if not, and I have a lot of different blogs that I run, what you need to do is go up to My Sites and then come down and select the specific site that you want to work on. So we're here now, and remember what we want to do is we want to put this information onto our About Me page, which we already created in class. So to get to that page, we're going to come down here on the left hand side under Pages and click All Pages, and then we see the About Me page, and if I put my mouse over About Me, we can then click the Edit button, which is going to take us to the Edit page for that page. And I put this just gibberish and a picture here for the in-class demo, so I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of all that stuff. So I'm just going to highlight all this and just delete all of it. And so if you have some stuff that you put in there, you want to get rid of that and basically just start with a blank page here. And I have some text that I typed into Word. You could just take your text that you have on your HTML page and copy and paste it if you want. But I have just copied that, and then I'm going to come in here and I am going to paste it. And then what we need to do is upload our picture, and I'm going to put my picture right over here on the right hand side. So what we do to upload our picture is we come up to the Add Media button, which is right here. We click that. I am going to then click Browse, and we're going to go into our Journalism 2550 folder. And I have a picture of me here somewhere, right here, me with sunglasses. So I am going to then upload that picture, and the picture comes up, as you can see, and if we scroll down here we can actually insert it into the post, and I want it to be on the right hand side, so I click right there. I want it to be medium size, and so I leave that the way it is, and then I just click Insert into Post. And you can see that it inserts the picture into the post, and if I want to actually drag it up more to the top of the page, I can just click and drag it. And eventually there's a sweet spot here where it should take it all the way up to the top, although it's really not wanting to do it. Let's see. There we go. So finally there it's up at the top, and you can see that the text is automatically wrapping around it. So now what I want to do is we need to have an external link. So again, whatever your external link is going to be, whether it's your Facebook page or whatever, I'm going to link to the CNN web page. And so I just type in the text there, and then I'm going to highlight CNN web page because I want that to be my link. And then we come up here and click the little link icon, and what I can do is just type in cnn.com after the HTTP. The other thing we want to do is we want to open the link in a new window or tab. That way it won't close our blog window, it will actually just open up a new window that has the page in it. And we click Add Link. And then we also need to put our resume in. And so I am going to say, take a look at my resume. And what we're going to do here is we need to first upload the resume file. We need to upload the PDF. So what we're going to do once again is click the Add Media button, click Browse, and here's my Faust resume. I'm going to click Upload. And then if we scroll down here, the important thing we want now is this link URL. This is actually going to be a link to the file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that and do Control-C to copy. And then I am going to save all changes and close out of this. And then what I can do is just highlight the word resume, click the link icon again, and this time I want to make sure that that http:// is highlighted, so it's on the blue background, and then I do Control-V to paste. And the reason that I wanted to make sure that's highlighted is I don't want to end up with two HTTPs there. I just want to have the one HTTP. And then we also say Open Link in a new window or tab, and we click Add Link. And then what we can do is we can actually update the page, and then if we want to take a look at it, we click View Page, and there it is. And you can see that I still don't quite have the picture all the way up at the top, but we could go back in and drag it up there if I wanted to. And there are my links, and we're pretty much done.